Hello, this is Alex from the Worcester Public Library, back for another one of my weekly videos for tips and tricks on using our library's digital resources. Now, you may have used a database before called RefUSA. It's a really great database that we have here at the Worcester Public Library. And if you've been on our database page recently, you might notice that you'll no longer see RefUSA on the list of databases, and you'll instead see a database called Reference Solutions. Now, if you're familiar with RefUSA and really like that, you were in luck. It's basically the exact same database, just with a name and branding change. And if you've never used RefUSA, now Reference Solutions, you are in luck because it's a really, really useful database. So today I'm going to take you through it and show you the kinds of things you can do with it. Now, if you're interested in checking out Reference Solutions, you'll start by going to our website at mywpl.org, and then you can go under Resources right here, and then click on Online Databases, and you can scroll down until you see Reference Solutions. Now, this is one of the ones that you will need a Worcester Public Library card to use. And if you're accessing it from home, you'll just click on Home right here, which will take you to the login page, where you can type in your card number and your PIN number. Now, once you log in, you'll get to the front page. You'll see it's Reference Solutions right here. And you'll see that there are a number of things that you can do with it. It's basically information on both people, but also on businesses as well. So, for instance, what you can do if you click on U.S. businesses right here, let's say you're interested in finding a list of landscaping companies in the Worcester area, maybe you're doing some marketing for some reason, or maybe you're just interested in getting some landscaping work yourself. And what you can do is you can do a really powerful search. You can have it geography based. You can have it by business size. All sorts of information, the type of business it is. So, if you're interested in, say, landscaping or, factories or any sort of things like that. So you'll get some really great information, a lot of really useful information about businesses. You can also look for people as well. So they have a really powerful white pages. So if you're interested in finding somebody's address or somebody's phone number, that's a really great thing that you can do with that as well. You can also find some other interesting things. There's U.S. healthcare, so you can search for physicians or dentists in the local area. You can look up information on consumers or new movers and homeowners. That stuff, again, if you're interested in doing some sort of a marketing, or you have a business and you're looking for new customers. A lot of this is based for people who own businesses, but it's also for people who are either looking to find a business or people who are just interested, like I said, in looking up the white pages information. So again, this was Reference Solutions. It's an incredibly powerful database. I'm just sort of scratching the surface of this. But again, if you liked RefUSA, this is the same database, just with a different branding. And if you've never used RefUSA / now Reference Solutions, I hope you check it out. Again, this was Alex with the Worcester Public Library. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you back here next week for another one of my weekly videos. Thanks.